Let's say you have a website and you want to provide a 24 by 7 live support to your customers by adding up a chatbot. Whenever a customer inquires or asks any queries to the chatbot, they will have an instant response. So, if you use a generic basic LLM, then it has some challenges. First of all, the LLM models do not know anything about your data, so they will provide inaccurate responses or hallucinations. They can also provide data which is out of date, and they can get the information from various unreliable sources such as blogs or some chat forums, which is not really the desired results. To tackle these challenges, we use a RAG architecture in which all our user database in the form of various files such as PDF files or blogs or whichever format we have, these are provided as inputs to the embedding model. The function of this embedding model is to convert the text into numerical vectors, which are then stored into the vector database. The function of the vector database is to store as well as retrieve the information based on the relevance. And finally, the function of the LLM is to generate a response from the vector database and provide it to the user. So now let's dive into building a simple RAG system using n8n workflows. So this is our n8n dashboard. On the left side, we have the section to upload our database, the files in various formats. Then on the right side, we have the retrieval part, and on the bottom, we have the embeddings part, which is from the OpenAI. So let's say if without giving any data, if I ask it how many laptops I have it in stock, and let's see its response, what it generates without having any information. So here it has generated the response. I don't have information about the stock of laptops you have. So now this is the file I'll be giving as input to our RAG system. Let's upload it. Upload the file in the form of PDF from my download section. Okay, now I have uploaded the file, and now let's ask the same question again, and let's see the response. As you can see, it has generated an accurate response. You have 5 laptops in stock, specifically from the brand HP. This is the data what we provided. So it's not giving any incorrect information or hallucinated information. So this is how basically the RAG workflow works. Now let's see which components we use to generate this workflow. So we create a new workflow. The first step is to add the n8n form, as it will be used to upload the files. Then the next step is to add the vector database. Okay, after adding vector database, we can add the default data loader. Then we can add the embeddings from OpenAI. Okay, this is our upload part. Now let's go to the retrieval part. We'll add the chat trigger. Then we need to add the AI agent. After that, we will add the chat model. Here we can select OpenAI. Then we can add the vector tool for retrieving. Then we can connect the embeddings path to the OpenAI embeddings. Now, as you can see, there is some missing information on the vector tool. So let's fill in that information. We need to provide the description. Go back to the canvas. Also, there is some missing information on the n8n form. Let's double click it. Provide the missing information like the form title, the form description, and other parameters. Like we'll use here to upload the file. The format we can use that as PDF. In this particular example, we'll keep it as required field. And that's it. Our workflow is completed and we have built a simple RAG model in n8n. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please let me know in comments if this video has added any value or was of any use to you. And I'll be now uploading a follow-up video on how to integrate this chat in the website. So if you can subscribe on this channel, you will get notified on the upcoming video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.